Video 206, UPNG Cut+Paste. We need PNG encoding and decoding. We're going to cut-paste this library. We're getting the source code from these URLs here. This is for cloning. This is the actual repo page. And this is our first dependency, so we're going to mark it as 000 third, and the 000 counts as, it means it's the first dependency. And we formatted some of the code to be within our column limit, but then we gave up because, oh my god, there is so much code, and if we format it, we could introduce some bugs. So we need to stop formatting it and write some unit tests in the next video, because this is, look at all this code, right? If we try to format it all right now, it's gonna take forever, and we could put a bug somewhere. So we need to write some unit tests first, and then like every once in a while, we'll like format a little bit of it until one day, far in the future, years from now, it'll finally not go over our column limit. We'll do a little piece by piece, but look at this. We are standing on the shoulders of giants. Okay, so at the very end, I also formatted a little bit of it so that we have like kind of these region markers to know where that code begins and ends. But holy crap, that's a lot of code. I'm never gonna be able to understand that code, so we absolutely need some unit tests. We will do that in the next video. So here's a little bit of footnotes, and here's what we did. All we did was a cut and paste, and the next thing we need to do is write some unit tests, because God help us for understanding like PNG encoding and decoding. You can get the source code here, you can email me here. You have been on this playlist. You have been on video 206. Like and subscribe.